Christmas is coming, just 2 more weeks to go. Friends and lovers search for little gifts, sending to one another as tender words of love, warming the winter night and filling every heart with joy. I too feel happy with each gentle moment of meeting, listening to the cold breeze, hearing church bells echo softly through the night. Tonight, Christmas arrives. My soul lifts toward the sky, watching the starlight shimmering across the heavens. Peaceful music pours into this magical night, and sacred hymns embrace me like a gentle, loving touch. A winter prayer rises. Oh, Holy Lord, who came to earth as human, leaving the world with endless love and radiant light. This Christmas night, I pray for peace across the world, for every person to smile and live in love. Across the earth, may we all sing a joyful song, letting our hearts blend with the bells of heaven.